Na-try nyo na ba tong combo from Lola Nenas, yung toasted siopaw and hummus? Medyo late na yata kami dito, but now we're hooked. Hey friends! So yung mga kapatid ko nagre-rave about this, and since trying it, kami na rin nagre-rave about it. Usually nag-order kami ng toasted siopaw yung box of 12. Sadly, wala nang mas konting option dyan. Then a hummus solo, minsan dalawang tub. Yung hummus pair kasi 2 pieces lang yung siopaw, so laging may tirang hummus. O 'di ba, ang laki ng problema ko, pero Lola Nenas, baka pwedeng may other combo options. Yung toasted siopaw nila, not wow or the best, pero masarap na talaga for us. Yung hummus niya has a good texture, love the tanginess, and may garlic flavor. These two together is the perfect, sulit, and satisfying na combo. By the way, this time, in order namin is hummus with the budget meal na pancit canton bihon with 2 pieces siopaw. Yung pancit canton bihon, okay lang, nothing to rave about, pero ayun, yung siopaw plus hummus combo, try nyo na kung hindi pa. Lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa hummus. Tapos pag sa bahay nyo kakainin, add some hot sauce, ang sarap. That's